Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to SS Gaming Unity 3D. So in today's video we are going to discuss a common issue that many of you might face, getting Visual Studio to recognize your Unity scripts. If you have recently installed Unity or updated to a new version, you might notice that Visual Studio isn't connecting properly. When you open a script, everything looks fine at the first, but you might see at the top about miscellaneous file. This means Visual Studio isn't recognize your C# assembly. You should write some code, but Visual Studio won't catch any error. And even when you create a game object, it just doesn't seem to recognize it. And if we back to Unity, so Unity show that error, but don't worry, in this video I will talk you through these tips to fix that and get everything working smoothly again. Okay, but before starting the video, if you do not subscribe to SS Gaming Unity 3D, so go subscribe and press the bell icon so that every new video will reach you first. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel too, that's where we share the latest update and behind the scenes stuffs. Okay, alright, let's get started. So first close Visual Studio completely. Now let's back into Unity. Click on the edit in the menu, then select the preferences. In the preferences window, head to the external tool, look for the open by file extension and make sure to set Visual Studio as your code editor. Once you have done that, open your script again. You should see that the C# assembly is now recognized. This means Visual Studio can catch all those errors for you. Now as you fix your code, you will see that error highlights, making it super easy to debug. And when you check back into Unity, you will find that there are no more errors. So that's for today's video. I hope this helped you to fix the IntelliSense issue in Visual Studio. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep gaming strong. Allah Hafiz.